Let me show you how to create this text portrait effect on Photoshop. First, open your image and make a copy by press Ctrl J. Then go to Filter and go to Blur, then choose Gaussian Blur. Then make its radius 3 and click OK. Now go to File and click on Save As. Then save this file as a Photoshop, then delete this copy layer. Now let's insert our image. Then rescale it by press Ctrl T. Now convert your text to Smart Object and go to Filter, then choose Distort and click on Displace. Make its horizontal and vertical scale to 10 and click OK. Now let's choose this Photoshop file which we saved. Now drag our image to the top and click on your text and go to Adjustment and click on Solid Color. Then choose Black Color. Now let's drag our solid color layer to the bottom. Now click on our image and press Alt and click here to create a clipping mask. Now make a copy of it by press Ctrl J. Now hold Alt and click here to create inverted mask. Then go to Brush Tool and make its foreground color white. Choose the soft round brush and change its flow to 59. Let's zoom in and follow this process. Yeah, that is it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.